Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky with a head-to-head comparison of two popular drones, the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone and the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter. Let's see which one will make you the ultimate aerial ace and which one might leave you grounded. First up, let's talk about the one thing that speaks to all of us: price. The Potensic Atom SE will set you back $299, while the Gloral drone is a more budget-friendly option. So if your wallet is tighter than a pair of skinny jeans, Gloral might just be your new best friend. Now, let's get to the juicy part: camera quality. Both drones boast 4K cameras, but the Potensic Atom SE comes with a Sony sensor and electronic image stabilization, EIS. Reviewers have noted that it's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. The Gloral drone also offers 4K resolution with a 110 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustability. It's great, but without that EIS, your footage might end up shakier than a caffeine addict at a dance-off. Flight modes are where things get interesting. The Potensic Atom SE offers beginner mode, video mode, normal mode, and sport mode. In sport mode, this bad boy can hit speeds up to 16 meters per second in just 2.8 seconds, faster than you can say, "I believe I can fly." Meanwhile, the Gloral drone has a variety of intelligent flight modes like GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. Reviewers say it's like having a personal aerial butler, making sure you get those cinematic shots without breaking a sweat. Battery life is crucial unless you enjoy your drone taking impromptu naps. The Potensic Atom SE comes with two 2,500 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 62 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film your entire dramatic escape from the neighbor's angry cat. On the other hand, the Gloral drone offers 46 minutes with its two batteries. Not bad, but you might have to land and recharge before you finish that epic aerial tour of your backyard. Alright, let's talk range and transmission. The Potensic Atom SE boasts a whopping 4 kilometers control range thanks to its PickSync 2.0 technology. That's like flying from one end of your city to the other, assuming your city is really small. The Gloral drone, however, comes with 5G Wi-Fi transmission for high-resolution video, but doesn't quite match the Potensic's long-distance heroics. Design and portability are key, especially if you're always on the go. The Potensic Atom SE is super lightweight at under 249 grams, which means no FAA registration needed. It's like the stealth ninja of drones. The Gloral drone is also designed for portability with its foldable arms and lightweight construction. Reviewers find it to be the Swiss Army knife of drones, compact and ready for action. Safety first, folks. The Potensic Atom SE has precise GPS auto-return, so it'll come back home if it loses signal or runs low on battery. It's like having a homing pigeon that knows how to film. Gloral also offers return-to-home functionality along with intelligent fail-safe features. Both drones are pretty reliable. But let's face it, no one wants their $300 investment landing in the neighbor's pool. Based on online reviews, the Potensic Atom SE is praised for its stability, camera quality, and overall performance, making it a favorite among both beginners and experienced users. The Gloral drone, on the other hand, is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. So, who takes the crown? If you're looking for top-notch camera quality, longer flight time, and are willing to spend a bit more, the Potensic Atom SE is your go-to drone. However, if you're budget-conscious and still want a solid, feature-packed drone, the Gloral drone has got you covered. Either way, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.